The civil trial surrounding an alleged 2018 assault involving Cardi B and a security guard has begun. So, Cardi B is back in court once again.
Girl, what for?
It's for allegedly attacking a security guard.
Okay, I thought it might have been for the mic toss.
Nah, child, this is something else. Anyway, according to an article in Rolling Stone, you know I have to have my receipts. The incident occurred when Cardi was privately visiting an obstetrician while 4 months pregnant with her first child. So, this was some years back. I believe about 7 years.
And they just now going to trial?
Just now, girlfriend. Security guard Imani Ellis, the plaintiff in the case, provided testimony as the first witness, describing an encounter that allegedly took place on February 24, 2018. According to Ellis, she was conducting routine rounds on the 5th floor of a Beverly Hills medical building when she spotted Cardi B, whose legal name is Belcalis Almanzar, exiting an elevator near an obstetrician's office. Ellis claims she made a casual observation about seeing the celebrity, specifically stating, "Well, that's Cardi B," which allegedly triggered an aggressive response from Almanzar, who was attempting to keep her pregnancy private at this early stage.
Oh, she probably didn't want nobody to know that she was pregnant and probably thought the security guard would spill the beans. Just a hot mess.
Probably. She probably wanted to release the news in her own time. You know how Cardi does. Anyway, the security guard's testimony painted a volatile picture of the interaction. She testified that Almanzar became extremely upset, believing Ellis was attempting to publicize her confidential medical visit. Ellis described the rapper getting in her face, using obscenities, and ultimately becoming physically aggressive. The guard specifically alleged that Almanzar, aka Cardi B, cut her left cheek with a 3-inch fingernail and spat on her during the confrontation.
Now see, this is crazy.
Yeah, girl. Ellis emphasized the emotional impact of the incident, stating under oath, "I was deeply traumatized about what happened." However, Cardi B's defense attorney, Pierre Anderson, highlighted several significant inconsistencies in Ellis's account. A key point of contention emerged when Anderson referenced an incident report Ellis filed with her supervisor 2 days after the alleged assault. This report appeared to contradict her courtroom testimony in multiple ways, raising questions about the reliability of her account and the actual sequence of events that transpired that day. You know, these high-powered attorneys gone do what they can to trip you up. One of the most striking contradictions concerned Ellis's use of her phone during the encounter. While she testified in court that she wasn't using her phone or recording anything during the interaction, the incident report she submitted to her supervisor told a different story.
Now see, that's where she may have messed up.
I agree. In that report, Ellis explicitly admitted to having her personal cell phone pressed to her ear when the encounter began. She explained in her report that she was checking her voicemail due to concerns about her ill mother, a detail that significantly differs from her courtroom testimony about not using her phone at all. Another notable contradiction emerged regarding the alleged injury location, which became a crucial point of contention during cross-examination.
Girl, not another contradiction. Cardi might win this.
Right. So in her trial testimony, Ellis claimed Almanzar cut her cheek, but Anderson pointed out that her original incident report described an injury to her nose instead. When confronted with this discrepancy, Ellis maintained her current version of events, noting she had received plastic surgery to treat a cut on her cheek. Notably, a surgical intervention detail apparently wasn't mentioned in the original incident report, adding another layer of complexity to the conflicting accounts. And also, the timing of this incident adds important context to the situation. At the time, Cardi B was 4 months pregnant with her first child with Migos rapper Offset, a fact that was not yet public knowledge. This circumstance might explain the heightened sensitivity around privacy during the medical visit, as celebrities often go to great lengths to control the timing and manner of pregnancy announcements. The private nature of the medical visit and the potential for unauthorized disclosure could have created a tense atmosphere, though this context doesn't justify any alleged assault. Ellis's testimony suggests a traumatic experience that left lasting impacts, including alleged physical injury requiring surgical intervention. Meanwhile, the defense's cross-examination raises significant questions about the consistency and reliability of her account, particularly focusing on the discrepancies between her immediate post-incident report and her courtroom testimony years later.
Yeah, people need to make sure they get their story together before they go to court. This kind of makes her look like she's lying.
Right. So anyway, the trial continues to unfold, with both sides presenting their versions of events. The outcome will likely hinge on how jurors weigh these conflicting accounts and assess the credibility of the evidence presented. This case serves as a reminder of how quickly celebrity encounters can escalate into legal disputes, especially when privacy concerns and medical confidentiality are involved. The high-stakes nature of celebrity privacy, particularly surrounding pregnancy announcements, adds an additional layer of complexity to the case. That's it for this video, busybodies. Let me know what you think of Cardi being back in court once again. Do you think she could win this case? Leave a comment below with your thoughts and opinion. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Bye for now, busybodies, and I will see you in my next video.